What's up, traders? This is my last update. I'm going to Kauai today. I'm leaving for the airport in maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. I put a video up yesterday of me TPing, and I ended up re-entering almost immediately. Bitcoin price is up from my entry, my new entry. My initial entry was all the way down here. Um, but we're seeing the rest of the market really sailing, which I'm actually happy about. I mean, it's disappointing to not be in the strongest crypto asset at the moment, but what I want to see is the whole market lift, not just Bitcoin. I'm not going to reposition, but ETH's outperforming, and it kind of makes sense that it would, because locally it's outperformed in this range where it made a series of higher highs and higher lows, compared to Bitcoin, which made a series of lower highs and lower lows. But I just not believing in ETH as much and just wanted, it made sense to stick with the one that I believe in. That's maybe going to be easier for me to hold. Now, yeah, if we look at the dailies, they're all looking pretty good, honestly, or at least, yeah, I mean, through a couple green days on the weekend, some breakouts, a rare absolute insanity on this one, in 4 days. So this is what you want to see also is random breakouts, 260% on that one. So I didn't really like the rejection in here, but the thesis hasn't really changed and the setup hasn't really changed. And it's based on the funding rate and it's based on sentiment. So we look at the funding rate, it's still pretty negative pervasively. People are shorting the rally. People are comfortable shorting after 6 months of downtrend. But to me, with this giant wick and these liquidations and negative funding, I don't know that price goes to new highs, but it's absurd to me to think that it's going to go straight to a new low. It just doesn't make sense that it should. So, it's also based on Twitter. All the big trading accounts are calling for downside, calling for lower. From here, nobody's saying we go straight up from here that I've really been seeing. So that made me want to enter with size. And yeah, unfortunately, so far, well, I can't really say unfortunately, because actually from my entry, um, Bitcoin and ETH have done about the same. Because at first Bitcoin outperformed, but now ETH is outperformed. Because I got in right around here, and then this first leg Bitcoin outperformed. But yeah, just to show you guys, again, my goal is just to hold this. I'm gonna be on vacation for a week and not gonna have much time to check in. My goal would be to hold it ideally for a move up and hold on and advance my stop. So that's my play. And yeah, that can change though. I mean, I change my mind all the time, but as of right now, it still looks fine. I know that, oh, we failed to get through this, but it might take multiple tries. It probably won't happen in weekend volume. I'm running my stop down here. Maybe lower would be better, but um, to me, this box here is the next support. And if there's a really volatile Monday, I want to be allowed for a price to do this if there's another flush. So that's how we're running it. And see you on the other side of my trip. Much love. Peace.